Welcome to ASIM Code. Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want more. Assembly language working with numbers, NASM x86. This program demonstrates how to work with numbers in assembly. We'll define different types of numbers, perform operations, and store/retrieve them from memory. Here, we define our numbers, initialized values. A single byte number, 8-bit. A word, 16-bit number. A double word, 32-bit number. Just a message. New line character. Uninitialized variables, memory reserved. Reserve 4 bytes, double word, for storing results. Our actual code execution starts here. Every program needs an entry point. This is ours. Loading numbers into registers. Before we can work with numbers, we need to load them into registers. Load number 1, 10, into AL 8-bit register. Load number 2, 1000, into AX 16-bit register. Load number 3, 50,000, into EX 32-bit register. Performing arithmetic operations. Addition. Load number 3, 50,000, into EX. EX equals 50,000 plus 25,000 is equal to 75,000. Store the result in memory. Subtraction. Reset EX to number 3, 50,000. EX equals 50,000, 20,000 is equal to 30,000. Store the result. Multiplication. Load number 1, 10, into EX. Multiply with number 2, 10 times 1000 is equal to 10,000. Result is stored in EX. Store the result. Division. Load number 3, 50,000, into EX. Clear EDX, important before division. EX equals 50,000/10 is equal to 5,000. Quotient is stored in EX, remainder in EDX. Store the quotient in result. Printing a message, but not numbers yet. Printing actual numbers is a bit tricky in assembly. For now, we'll just print a message saying we completed the operations. Message length. Load message address. Print to screen stout. System call for sys_write. Call the kernel to print message. Print a new line. New line length. Address of new line character. System call for sys_write. Print new line. Exiting the program. Every program must exit properly, otherwise Linux stinks. It's still running. System call for sys_exit. Exit status 0, success. Call the kernel to exit. End of program. Number operation successfully demonstrated. That's it for today. Hit like and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.